PHP class defined. The naming of class name is essentially the same as the naming of variables. Naming is free, anything except stdClass. PHP already uses the name stdClass as the name of the built-in class. The body contents of the class lie between the curly brace and the close curl. In the class body there are definitions of properties, variables, and class methods. Defines a class. The general form of a class is as follows. Class name. Opening curly bracket. Declare and define properties here. Define all methods here. Closing curly bracket. Adding properties, variables. Consider the example of defining the class and its properties as follows. Class car. Opening curly bracket. var $color. var $brand. var $price. Add method definitions here. Closing curly bracket. Declaring variables in a class like in the example above is not a requirement. Because in PHP the variable does not need to be declared, just use it. However, the declaration of the variables used is strongly recommended for easy reading and understanding of the program. The class variable can also be directly initialized with a value. However, initialization variables should not contain arithmetic operations or other operations. Consider the following example. Class car. Opening curly bracket. var $color equals red. var $brand equals Honda. var $price equals 15 million. Add the method definitions here. Closing curly bracket. Adding method. To add a method, simply define a method as well as a normal function. For example, we will add function or method to change car color and to display car color. Method name is basically follow the rule variable name. However, do not use method names that begin with two underscores, underscore, i.e. underscore construct, underscore destruct, and underscore clone, because these three functions have their own meaning in PHP. See an example of adding the following method. Class car. Opening curly bracket. var $color equals red. var $brand equals Honda. var $price equals 15 million. Function change color, $new color. Opening curly bracket. $this to color equals $new color. Closing curly bracket. Function color appears. Opening curly bracket. Echo the color of the car, $this to color. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. In the above list of programs have added function or method change color and color appears. To access properties, variable can use keyword $this. This keyword refer to the class where it is located. The Ganti-Warnut method has one parameter, i.e. $new color. Adding constructors. Constructor is a special method that will be automatically executed when object is formed. Constructors do not have to exist, but in one class there can be only one constructor. The constructor method usually contains the default value of each property variable. To create a constructor, simply define a function named underscore construct. Consider the following example. Class car. Opening curly bracket. var $color. var $brand. var $price. Function underscore construct. Opening curly bracket. $this to color equals red. $this to brand equals Honda. $this to price equals 15 million. Closing curly bracket. Function change color, $new color. Opening curly bracket. $this to color equals $new color. Closing curly bracket. Function color appears. Opening curly bracket. Echo the color of the car, $this to color. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Forming class objects. To use an object must be formed of its class. From a class can be formed several objects at once. The general form of object formation is as follows. $object name equals new class name. As for calling members of the class can with format as follows. $object name to variable. $object name to name method. Program 1. File name bo01.php. Description: a simple program of defining a class and calling a class. Type the PHP code below into Notepad. Less than PHP. Class car. Opening curly bracket. var $color. var $brand. var $price. Function __ construct. Opening curly bracket. $this to color equals red. $this to brand equals Honda. $this to price equals 15 million. Closing curly bracket. Function change color. $new color. Opening curly bracket. $this to color equals $new color. Closing curly bracket. Function color appears. Opening curly bracket. Echo the color of the car. $this to color. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. $A equals new car. $B equals new car. Echo less than B greater than the first car less than B greater than less than B are greater than. $red to color appears. Echo less than B are greater than the first car changed colors less than B are greater than. $red to change color blue. $red to color appears. // Echo less than B are greater than less than B greater than second car less than B greater than less than B are greater than. $B to change color green. $B to color appears. Greater than. PHP code. Save the PHP code with pb001 name into htdocs folder. Run the program by opening the browser, then type http://localhost/bo01.php. In the address bar then enter. The result will look like this. Program view. Program 2. File name bo02.php. Description: program class to create a simple input form. Type the following PHP code into Notepad. Less than PHP. Asterisk. Class name form. Description: class to create simple text input form. Asterisk. Class form. Opening curly bracket. var $fields equals array. var $action. var $submit equals submit form. var $field count equals 0. Function __ construct $action $submit. Opening curly bracket. $this to action equals $action. $this to submit equals $submit. Closing curly bracket. Function display form. Opening curly bracket. Echo less than form action equals $this to action method equals post greater than. Echo less than table width equals 100% greater than. For $j equals 0, $j less than count $this to fields $j plus plus. Echo less than tr greater than less than td align equals right greater than $this to fields $j label less than td greater than. Echo less than td greater than less than input type equals text name equals $this to fields $j name greater than less than td greater than less than tr greater than. Closing curly bracket. Echo less than tr greater than less than td colspan equals 2 greater than. Echo less than input type equals submit value equals $this to submit greater than less than td greater than less than tr greater than. Echo less than table greater than. Closing curly bracket. Function add field $name $label. Opening curly bracket. $this to fields, $this to field count name equals $name. $this to fields, $this to field count label equals $label. $this to field count plus plus. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Greater than. PHP code. Save the PHP code into the htdocs folder and name it bo02.php. Program 3. File name bo03.php. Description: Program utilizes Program 2 to create simple input form. Type the following PHP code and HTML code into Notepad. Less than PHP. Include bo02.php. Echo less than HTML greater than less than head greater than less than title greater than college student less than title greater than less than head greater than less than body greater than. $form equals new form input form. $form to add field txt sin student ID number. $form to add field txt name name. $form to add field txt address address. Echo less than h3 greater than please fill out the following form less than per hour 3 greater than. $form to display form. Echo less than body greater than less than HTML greater than. Greater than. PHP code and HTML code. Save the code with bo03.php name in htdocs folder. Program explanation 3. Program 3 above is an example of a class call that is defined in Program 2, bo02.php. For the first time, the bo02.php program should be included using the include function. Pay attention to the second line program. To add the form input and text box, just need to call the add field function. Run the program, open the browser, type http://localhost/bo03.php in the address bar. Then enter. Display results from the above program can be seen in the picture below. Program view. That's my explanation about PHP class defined. Hopefully the explanation can increase our knowledge in learning PHP programming language.